Picture this. You're in the middle of a big production run. Your vacuum casting machine suddenly stutters, loses pressure, or refuses to heat up. Your immediate thought? I can fix this myself. How hard could it be? Before you reach for that wrench or screwdriver, stop. In today's video, we are talking about why attempting a DIY repair on your vacuum casting machine is one of the most expensive and dangerous mistakes you can make. From hidden electrical hazards to costly misdiagnosis, sticking around for the next few minutes could save you thousands of dollars and potentially your safety. Point 1. Extreme safety hazards, high voltage and pressure. First and foremost, safety. Vacuum casting machines aren't simple household appliances. They operate under a dangerous combination of high vacuum pressure, extreme heating temperatures, often exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, and complex high-voltage electrical circuits. When you open up the housing without professional training, you're exposing yourself to severe risks. Electrical shock. High-capacitor capacitors can hold dangerous electrical charges long after the machine is unplugged. Pressure leaks. An improperly sealed vacuum line can implode or cause structural failure under pressure. Thermal hazards. Miscalibrating heating elements can lead to thermal runaway, causing fires or severe burns.
Reason number 2, precision engineering. Modern vacuum casting equipment relies on fine-tuned balance. Sensors, microcontrollers, vacuum pumps, and heating elements must work in perfect synchronization. When a machine malfunctions, the symptom is rarely the root cause. For example, a drop in vacuum pressure might look like a failing pump, but it could actually be a microscopic seal leak, a faulty solenoid valve, or a sensor calibration error. Replacing parts blindly based on guesswork usually results in buying expensive components you didn't actually need, failing to fix the underlying issue, causing secondary damage to good components nearby.
Let's talk about money. Attempting self-repair almost guaranteed voids your manufacturer warranty. Most certified manufacturers strictly require authorized technicians to open or service internal components. Once you break that factory seal or tamper with internal wiring, the manufacturer is off the hook. Any future support or free replacement parts, gone. Furthermore, improperly serviced machines plummet in resale value. If you ever plan to upgrade or sell your equipment, buyers and dealers will inspect service logs. A machine with amateur modifications or unapproved repairs is a giant red flag.
Many workshop owners try DIY repairs to save money, but let's do the real math. When a machine sits broken while you spend days troubleshooting, watching tutorials, and waiting for parts you thought were broken, your workshop loses money every single hour. Downtime is expensive. A certified technician uses specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact problem instantly, has access to genuine OEM parts, guarantees their work, giving you peace of mind. Paying for a professional service up front is almost always cheaper than fixing the secondary damage caused by a failed DIY attempt.
Many works. To wrap it up, respect your equipment. Vacuum casting machines are heavy-duty industrial tools designed for precision. Protect your investment, your business reputation, and most importantly, your personal safety by leaving maintenance to certified professionals. Have you ever tried fixing workshop machinery yourself and regretted it? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more industrial machinery tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.